Nobody touches us at all. Shout out, shoot out, spread fear of it without a living that attack. What's off the wheel? Spread the word throughout the land. They say, bad guys, we're black. We're taking cancer back. You see us coming and you all together run for cover. We'll take it over this town. Here it comes, reach for your gun and you better listen well. My friend, you see, it's best now down below. You and the devils of hell. Tears down again, we won. They talking no tall tales, but just I knew your doom would come with me out with the devils of hell. Sleep. Oh, village to village, till I shall see, but better not take it out on me, cause God's town is found where your city used to be. So out of the darkness and into the light, sparks fly everywhere inside from our double barrel 12 gauge. Can't lock me in your cage. You see us coming and you all together run for cover. We'll take it over this town. Here it comes, reach for your gun and you better listen well, my friend. You see it's best now down below. Aim at you with the covers of hell. Tears down again, we won. Ain't talking no tall tales, friend, cause I knew your doom would come and be out with the cowboys from hell.
Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of Howdy Folks Outdoors. We're headed up to the Santee Delta today. We're going to try to shoot a green-winged teal. We got our guns and our boat and my long-time friend duck decoy teal bird green-wing. Anyway, we'll give you a report this afternoon. See you next time. Howdy Folks Outdoors.